So we're continuing on with telepathy. This is a very long segment, so it's probably going to be done not over and over, but like so many different parts of it. And plus the way I have to record because of my storage on my phone. But telepathy is natural to humanity. Those entities that are not connected to the same DNA signal as Earth humans can be seen or could be seen and perceived by humans when regaining their telepathic abilities. Thus, every mind control agenda, along with electronic harassment, is used to prevent awareness of the existence of telepathy and of other intelligent species using it, as well as to continually ridicule and spread misinformation to confuse the general public. Telepathy is a completely natural spiritual sensory development mechanism in the functioning DNA of human beings, as well as inherent in many other types of species, in which that species' DNA may include a variety of different telepathic capacities and abilities. Telepathic activity is stronger when people have strong emotional bonds with each other, intimate caring bonds in which they feel extremely close even when they are traveling apart. Telepathic abilities also tend to be naturally stronger with those sharing the same bonds in DNA signaling or similar DNA template. As an example, telepathic humans would have stronger consciousness links with members from their original DNA family, as well as with the indigenous species found at the planetary location and timeline of their incarnation. Earth humans have a unique connection with incarnating into a massive genetic library that has DNA strains found in populations all over the cosmos, with a distinct animal or elemental represented on the Earth's surface, with each increase the range of telepathic abilities with animals and many other non-terrestrial species. Alien hybridization and genetic modification has interrupted this natural communication with the DNA signal of humanity, and this makes some people more familiar with NAA and DNA signals, such as Yahweh or Jehovah's signals, in which they are contacted by those alien forces and then led to believe that these imposters are gods. Cellular telepathy. Expanding consciousness goes beyond mental knowledge through linear thinking and into the realm of direct knowing and cellular telepathy, which are natural functions of the human spiritual biology. Telepathy is usually described as mind-to-mind communication at a distance without the five senses. However, cellular telepathy extends to the comprehension that every cell in the body is alive and intelligent, thus the brain and mind are not required to transmit messages, thought, or information from one individual to another. Linear thought is logical step-by-step approach to problem solving, moving methodically, from one point to the next. I couldn't think of that word. From one point to the next, like a straight line. Essentially, it is knowing telepathic information is able to be received and transmitted between cells, and that all living cells have an instruction set for this information exchange, which is a form of cellular telepathy. When a human being suspends linear thought and surrenders mental chatter to be fully present in the moment, to observe and feel the energy in the environment, more impressions and information can be directly perceived by the cells of the body. This is the sensation of direct knowing, breathing into the moment, feeling and listening to the energy signature in the environment. Then all what does that even say? Hold on. Oh, and then allowing our higher senses to be activated, which allow the intelligent energies to give our cellular bodies impressions and information without words, simply by standing alone when uninterrupted and quiet in the middle of nature, simply breathing and observing the present moment in stillness, intend to connect to the energies present on the earth. Many impressions of the environment will start to flood into present awareness, and the more open our mind and heart, the easier this information is to perceive. Many artists and musicians have commented that they have woke up one day from an intense